Good day, children. Now we are coming to page 114, Act 3, Scene 5. Here, the scene is taking place in a garden leading to Portia's house. The most important thing in this is the Jessica's opinion regarding Portia and how Lancelot plays with his words and shows how intelligent he is in using words wittily. Let us go to the lesson. The first dialogue is by Lancelot. Lancelot is warning Jessica that because she is a Jew, she is damned. Damned means she will go to hell. During those days, Christians believed all non believers will go to hell. All only Christians will go to heaven. I think in every religion everybody believes like that. I don't know that only theirs is the true God, and all who doesn't believe in the true God will go to hell. Only those who believe in the dear God will go to heaven. Anyway, nobody has seen heaven, or have we? We don't know. I feel that we have to lead a good life here, then heaven will be here. Okay, let us create heaven here itself. If we create heaven here, if we will surely go to heaven. If there is a heaven, definitely go to heaven. Let us come to the lesson. Enter Launcelot and Jessica. Launcelot, yes, truly, for look you, the sins of the father are to be laid upon the children. This is taken from Bible, the book of Exodus. In the book of Exodus, it is written that the sins of the father will be passed on to generation. Whatever sin a father does, the children, the grandchildren for generation, depending upon how the sin is. If it is a very, very big sin, then it will go to many generations, almost 7 generations. That is what is said here. The sins of the father, because of Shylock, you will be punished. Therefore, I promise you, I fear you. I was always plain with you. I have always been straightforward with you. And so now I speak my agitation. Here, cogitation. I'm speaking my opinion. Instead of that, he is using the word agitation of the matter. Therefore, be good cheer, for truly I think you will go to hell. You are damned, Jessica. I shall be saved by my husband. He hath made me a Christian. This is Saint Paul's letter to Corinthians. There, the Saint Paul has written. That is again another in letter in Bible. It is again in the New Testament. Saint Paul has said that wife will be sanctified, will become holy because of the husband. If the husband is a good Christian, wife will be sanctified. Wife will. So that is what is. I shall be saved by my husband. He hath made me a Christian, because my husband is a Christian, and my husband has made me also a Christian. So I will be saved. Then Launcelot says a very silly thing. Truly, the more to blame he. Yeah, he has to be punished more. Now, why should Lorenzo be punished? We were Christians enough before, and we, as many as could well, lived one by another. This making Christians will raise the price of hogs. If we grow all to be pork eaters, we shall not shortly have it rasher to the coals for money. That is, Christians eat pork. Pork means the meat of the pig. So, if there are more Christians, there will be more pork eaters. When there are more, when the demand increases, you all have learned economics. When the demand increases, the price increases. And because the price increases, the Christians will not have enough money. So, Lorenzo has increased the number of Christians and thereby increased the price of pork. So, Lorenzo is also going to be punished. Enter that time Lorenzo enters. I'll tell my husband, Lancelot, what you say. Here he comes. I'll tell my husband what you are saying. So I'll complain to my husband. Lauren, I shall grow jealous of you shortly, Lancelot. Now Lorenzo says, I'll be jealous of you. Why should Lorenzo be jealous of Lancelot? Because Lancelot is flirting with his wife. His wife is flirting with Lancelot, talking a lot. So Lorenzo will get angry with Lancelot. Jessica, nay, you need not fear us, Lawrence. Oh, no, 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 ഞങ്ങൾ തമ്മിലൊന്നുമില്ല. You don't have to fear me. Lancelot and I are out. And I are out means we have fought. He tells me flatly, there is no mercy for me in heaven because I am a Jew's daughter. He is telling me I will not be able to go to heaven because I am a Jew's daughter. And he says, you are not a good member of the Commonwealth, for in converting Jews to Christians, you are raising the price of the pork. How every fool can play upon the word. I think the best grace of wit will shortly turn into silence and discourse grow commendable. See how wittily, how intelligently he is using the words. Now everybody should keep quiet. See how then only they can be considered wise. So these are not very important, but just go through it. Launcelot, that is done. Go, Sirrah, bid them prepare for dinner. So Lorenzo is asking Launcelot to get the dinner ready. That is, lay the table, put the food, and get the dinner ready. We'll have our dinner. That is done, sir. They have all stomach. So get ready for dinner. If we have to eat something, we must be hungry. Lorenzo asks him to keep the table ready so that we can have dinner. Lancelot takes it literally, the words, get ready for dinner. To get ready to eat something, we should be hungry. They all have stomachs, they are all hungry. Lorenzo, goodly Lord, what a wit snapper are you? Then bid them prepare dinner. Okay, why are you using these words? Okay, just prepare the dinner. That is done too, sir. Only cover is the word. That is also done. They have all prepared the dinner. Only cover means only to put it on the table. Each dish has to be put on the table. Will you cover then, sir? എൻ്റെ പൊന്നെ എന്നാ അതൊന്ന് വെക്കുവോ? Will you cover then? Will you cover? What he means is each dish. Will it be kept on the table? Will the table be laid? No, no, sir, neither. I know my duty. No, I shouldn't cover. Here he means Lorenzo. When Lorenzo says cover the table to lay out the dinner, Lancelot takes it as covering the head. In front of the master, the cap is taken off. No, no, I won't put my cap. I know my duty. I shouldn't be covering my head in front of the master. Yet more quarreling with occasion, you are playing with words. Wilt thou show the whole wealth of thy wit in an instant? I pray thee, understand a plain man in his plain meaning. Just plain meaning. You don't take all the meanings of my words. Go to thy fellows, go to the servants, bid them cover the table, ask them to put the dish on the table, serve in the meat, and we will come into dinner. We will come and have dinner. Lancelot, for the table, sir, it shall be served in. Table, it is ready. For the meat, sir, it shall be covered. Don't worry, the meat will also be put on the table. For your coming into dinner, sir, why? Let it be as humorous and conceit. Whether you are coming in for the dinner, that depends upon you. Oh, dear discretion, how his words are suited, how well he knows to play with the words. The fool had planned in his memory an army of good words. So, like Shashi Tharoor, he has a lot of words in his head. And I do know many fools that stand in better place garnished like him that for a tricksy word, that right word, because we are not able to convey or communicate well. Defy the matter, how cheerest thou, Jessica? Okay, leave the matter. Now, how are you, Jessica? And now, good sweet, say the opinion. How dost thou like Lord Bassanio's wife? So, Lorenzo is asking Jessica her opinion about Portia. Very important. This is the most important dialogue in this lesson, in this scene. Jessica, first point, past all expressing. Portia is beyond expression. Point number 1, note it down. It is very meet the Lord Bassanio live an upright life. Now, because Lord Bassanio has married Portia, Lord Bassanio must live a straightforward life for having such a blessing in his lady, because he has married a blessed lady like Portia. He should lead a straightforward life. He should not be spending recklessly and living a carefree life. He finds the joys of heaven here on earth. Bassanio has found the paradise here on earth itself. What I said in the beginning of the lesson, we will create heaven here on earth. And if on earth he do not merit it, if he does not live up to it, if he does not create a heaven on earth, if he does not live a good life, in reason he should never come to heaven. Definitely he will not go to heaven if he doesn't live a good life on earth. Then she says, more important. Why, if two gods should play some heavenly match, if there is a competition between two gods in heaven, and on the wager lay two earthly women as prize, two earthly women is laid as prize, and Portia one, if one woman is Portia, there must be something else found with the other. There is no other woman equal to Portia on earth. For the poor rude world hath not her fellow. There is not no Anna, there is not any other woman in this world as good as Portia. That is, she is a well-rounded person, intelligent, witty, fair, rich, all the good qualities are found in her. There is no other woman like her in this world. Lorenzo, even such a husband has thou of me as she is for a wife. Oh, Bassanio has got. I understood. Portia is a well rounded person. Like that, you have a well rounded husband. You have got a well. Here, Lorenzo is comparing himself to Portia. Nay, but ask my opinion too of that. You don't decide. You ask me your about your the opinion about yourself. Like you asked my opinion about Portia. I will tell my opinion about you. I will, Alan. First, let us go to dinner. No, no, no. We will have some dinner. Let me, Jessica, nay, let me praise you while I have a stomach now. I have a stomach here means I have time. I do feel like I have a mood. Let me praise you. No, pray thee, let it serve for table talk. No, we will, when we eat in between, you say that. Then, howsoever thou speakest, among other things, I shall digest it. As I am digesting my food, I will digest whatever you say about me. Well, I'll set you forth. Okay, I will inform you then. And she goes. And then comes the Act 4. So, I have filled in the gap between the first council lesson and the second council lesson. I hope you will understand it. Listen to it again and again so that you are thorough with it. Thank you, children.